You're about to hear the untold story of brand-specific reliability, as we put two automotive giants, Toyota and Honda, head-to-head. In the world of cars, few topics spark as much debate and personal conviction as reliability. We all want a vehicle that starts every time, performs flawlessly, and doesn't drain our wallets with unexpected repairs. But how much of what we believe about a brand's dependability is based on reality, and how much is simply reputation? Today, we're diving deep into the documented failure rates and common issues that often remain in the shadows, even for the most trusted names. Toyota has long been synonymous with bulletproof reliability, building a global reputation for vehicles that seem to run forever. On the other side of the ring, Honda stands as another paragon of engineering, celebrated for its well-built automobiles and enduring engines. Both brands consistently rank highly in reliability surveys, yet no car is entirely flawless, and their specific strengths and weaknesses can significantly impact your ownership experience. To truly understand reliability, we need to look beyond anecdotal evidence. We'll be examining metrics from respected organizations like J.D. Power, Consumer Reports, and RepairPal. These sources gather data from millions of real-world owners, categorizing problems across various vehicle components and reporting on frequency and severity. This data provides a more objective lens through which to compare these two automotive titans. Toyota's reputation for reliability is deeply ingrained, often topping reliability charts. For instance, in Consumer Reports' most recent annual auto reliability survey, Toyota ranked first among all brands, scoring 66 out of 100, consistently outperforming the industry average. J.D. Power's 2025 Vehicle Dependability Study showed Toyota averaging 162 problems per 100 vehicles, which is significantly below the industry average of 202. In the 2026 J.D. Power U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study, Toyota, while still above average, ranked 8th overall with 185 problems per 100 vehicles, compared to the industry average of 204 pp100. This demonstrates a consistent, strong performance in the realm of dependability. However, even Toyota vehicles, particularly older models, have documented common issues. These can include oil sludge buildup, often linked to neglecting regular oil changes or using low-quality oil, which can lead to decreased engine performance, or even failure. Transmission problems, ranging from delayed shifting to complete failure, have also been noted in some older Toyota models, with symptoms like slipping gears or rough shifting. Faulty water pumps can lead to engine overheating and coolant leaks. Additionally, some Toyota models have experienced premature wear on brake pads and rotors, as well as issues with power steering fluid leaks. More recently, specific models like the 2007 to 2009 Camry faced excessive oil consumption, while certain 2016 to 2019 Tacoma models had transmission hunting issues, and 2007 to 2019 Tundras were prone to air injection pump failures. Honda, similar to Toyota, enjoys a strong reputation for reliability, often earning high praise for its dependability and quality. RepairPal, for example, gave Honda a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, placing it first among 32 brands. Consumer Reports has consistently ranked Honda among the top 5 brands, generally scoring above the industry average. However, according to the 2021 J.D. Power U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study, Honda dropped to 28th out of 33 brands, with a score of 145 problems per 100 vehicles, indicating a dip in its short-term dependability in that specific year. More recently, the 2026 J.D. Power study saw Honda's luxury counterpart, Acura, not explicitly mentioned in the top mass-market rankings, but Honda vehicles are still generally considered reliable. Despite its strong overall standing, Honda vehicles also have their share of common reliability issues. One of the most prevalent across several models, including the Accord, Civic, Odyssey, and CR-V, is transmission failure, often attributed to manufacturing defects, overheating, or poor maintenance. Engine oil leaks are another frequent concern, caused by worn-out or damaged parts and improper installation. Some Honda models, particularly older Civics, have experienced issues with overheated engines, sometimes due to cracked engine blocks. Other reported problems include dead batteries in Accord and CR-V models, excessive oil consumption in certain engines, and even spontaneously cracked CR-V windshields. When directly comparing overall failure rates, both brands typically sit well below the industry average for annual repair costs. RepairPal data indicates Honda averages approximately $428 per year in repair costs, while Toyota averages about $441 per year, both significantly lower than the industry average of $652. Toyota often holds an edge in long-term longevity and severity of repairs, with a higher percentage of its vehicles reaching 200,000 miles or more. Honda, however, often leads in repair frequency at higher mileage, suggesting that while repairs might be needed more often, they could be less severe or costly on average. Delving into specific components, engine reliability is a cornerstone for both brands. Toyota's engines are generally highly durable, though issues like oil sludge in older models and oil leaks have been reported. Honda is also famous for its enduring engines, with many models capable of reaching very high mileage when properly maintained. However, some Honda models, particularly those with turbocharged power units, have received complaints about oil dilution, where fuel mixes with engine oil, potentially leading to long-term engine damage if not addressed. Premature engine failure can occur in Hondas due to neglect of routine maintenance, especially regarding oil levels and timing belt replacements in older models. Transmission reliability is another critical area. As mentioned, transmission problems are a known concern for some older Toyota models, with symptoms like rough or delayed shifting. For Honda, transmission failure has been a more prominent issue across several popular models, particularly automatic transmissions in older Accords, Civics, Odysseys, and Pilots, with replacements potentially costing thousands of dollars. Newer Honda automatics have also seen complaints about rough shifting. This suggests that while both brands have faced transmission challenges, Honda's issues appear to be more widespread in certain model years. Moving to electrical and electronic systems, both brands have encountered their share of modern tech glitches. For Toyota, general electrical system failures, such as dim dashboard lights, starting troubles, or malfunctioning power windows/locks, have been reported. Honda has also seen issues with infotainment and tech glitches, including freezing screens and backup camera failures in models like the Passport, Accord, and Odyssey. These problems, while often less severe than powertrain issues, can significantly impact owner satisfaction and convenience. The J.D. Power 2026 study highlights that infotainment systems remain the most problematic category across the industry, with persistent issues with mobile phone integration and over-the-air software updates. Regarding body and interior issues, some Toyota owners have reported melting dashboards in hot climates, becoming sticky, shiny, cracked, or warped due to heat exposure. Suspension and braking system problems, such as worn-out parts leading to a bumpy ride or clunky noises, and premature brake wear, are also noted for pre-owned Toyotas. Honda has faced reports of premature rust and clear coat failure in certain years for models like the Civic, Fit, and CR-V, which can affect resale value and lead to expensive body repairs. Premature brake wear has also been a significant complaint for some Honda Accord model years. Now for the untold story. Less publicized but significant issues. For Toyota, while known for hybrids, some Prius models have encountered ABS actuator and inverter coolant pump problems, which can lead to inconsistent braking and serious safety concerns. For Honda, beyond the transmission issues, a hidden problem that sometimes goes undiscussed is the oil dilution issue in their 1.5L turbocharged engines, found in models like the Civic and CR-V. This issue, where excess fuel mixes with engine oil, raises oil levels, triggers warning lights, and can lead to long-term engine damage, particularly in colder climates. While software updates were issued, complaints have persisted. The impact of maintenance and owner care cannot be overstated in a vehicle's reliability. Both Toyota and Honda, despite their robust engineering, benefit immensely from adherence to manufacturer-recommended maintenance schedules. Regular oil changes, fluid checks, and timely inspections can prevent minor issues from escalating into costly repairs. Driving with excessively low oil levels, for instance, can lead to premature engine failure in a Honda, while neglecting transmission fluid changes can cause slipping in a Toyota. Proactive care is a significant factor in extending the lifespan and perceived reliability of any vehicle, regardless of brand. Reliability issues, whether common or untold, undeniably affect long-term ownership costs and resale value. Vehicles with fewer documented problems and lower repair frequencies tend to command higher resale values. Toyota, with its consistent top rankings in longevity and lower severity of repairs, often sees its models retain a high percentage of their original MSRP after several years, with models like the Corolla retaining around 62% after 5 years. Honda models, while also performing well, might see a slight dip in resale value due to known issues like widespread transmission problems in specific older models or ongoing oil dilution concerns, though models like the Civic still hold about 60% of their value after 5 years. The cost efficiency of owning a Honda often stems from manageable average maintenance costs and parts availability. Ultimately, the narrative of brand-specific reliability for Toyota and Honda is more nuanced than a simple one is better than the other. Both brands consistently produce highly reliable vehicles that outperform the industry average. Toyota often has an edge in overall long-term durability and fewer severe repairs, while Honda boasts excellent initial quality and often lower average maintenance costs for routine service. The untold stories reveal that no brand is immune to specific issues, and these can vary significantly by model year and even specific powertrain. When choosing between these two automotive giants, consider not just the brand's general reputation, but delve into the specific model and year you're interested in, researching known issues, recall history, and the impact of proper maintenance. Your informed decision will be the true determinant of your personal reliability story.